Hi everyone! Are you ready to stretch, move, and have fun? Let's do easy yoga together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Squat, with feet wider than hips and toes turned out. Bring your palms together at your chest, using your elbows to gently press your knees open. Keep your spine long. Sit with a straight spine and cross your legs at the shins. Rest your hands on your knees. Relax your shoulders and breathe deeply to find stillness. Sit with one leg extended. Lean to your leg and reach your arm overhead for a deep stretch. From a plank, shift your weight onto one hand and the outer edge of that foot. Stack your feet, lift your hips high, and reach your opposite arm towards the sky. Sit with legs extended and spine tall. Inhale, reach up. Then exhale and fold forward from your hips. Grasp your feet or shins, keeping your back long and relaxed. Sit tall and bring your feet together. Let your knees drop and flap them like little wings, or stay still to open your hips. Sit tall and bring your feet together. Let your knees drop and gently flap them like little wings, or stay still to open your hips. Lie on your belly. Bend your knees and grab your ankles. Inhale to lift your chest and thighs, forming a bow shape. Breathe steadily and open your chest. Stand tall with feet together. Interlace your fingers and reach your arms overhead. Inhale to lengthen, then exhale and lean to one side, stretching your rib cage and lateral muscles. From a lunge, place both hands inside your front foot. Lower your back knee or keep it lifted. Sink your hips forward and rest on your forearms. Stand tall with feet together. Exhale and fold forward from your hips, bringing your torso toward your legs. Relax your head and neck, touching your feet or the floor. Lie on your back. Hug your knees to your chest and clasp your hands around your shins. Gently lift your head toward your knees, massaging your abdomen and lower back. Kneel on one knee, extending the other leg to the side. Inhale, reach your opposite arm up. Then exhale and lean toward your straight leg, stretching your side. From all fours, step your feet back and lift your knees. Keep your body in a straight line, arms under shoulders, and engage your core and thighs. Lie on your back and hug one knee to your chest. Drop it across your body to the floor. Extend your opposite arm and gaze toward your hand. Sit with knees bent and feet flat. Place hands behind your hips. Inhale. Lift your hips until your torso and thighs are parallel to the floor, like a table. Sit tall and extend one leg. Bend the other knee, grab your foot, and bring it toward your ear like a telephone. Keep your spine straight and chest open. Lie on your back. Lift your hips and swing your legs over your head. Touch your toes to the floor behind you, keeping your spine straight. From a kneeling position, sit between your heels and slowly lean back onto your forearms or lie flat. Keep your knees together and stretch your thighs. Step your feet wide, turn one foot out, and bend your knee over your ankle. Stretch your arms out, gaze over your front hand, and keep your torso centered. Lie on your back with knees bent. Cross one ankle over the opposite thigh. Reach through and pull your bottom leg toward your chest to stretch your hips. From all fours, tuck your toes and lift your hips toward the sky. Push through your palms. Extend your spine and reach your heels toward the floor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.